Go up to the top bar and click Edit with Elementor. Welcome to Elementor. This is where the magic happens. Everything you see here is exactly what your visitors will see, and you can edit it all visually. Let me show you how it works. First, you'll notice the structure panel floating on the right side. This shows us how our page is built. Pages in Elementor are made of two main building blocks, containers and elements. Containers are the big sections that hold everything, and elements are the individual pieces inside, like text, buttons, and images. Click on the first container in the structure panel. See how the whole section highlights in pink? That's your container. Now click the drop-down arrow next to it. This shows what's inside. In this case, an image box and a button. Click on each one and watch them highlight individually. On the right side of each item in the structure panel, there's an eye icon. This lets you hide or show elements without deleting them. Let's close the structure panel by clicking the X. You can always bring it back later by pressing Command-I on Mac or Control-I on Windows. Now let me show you how to add new sections to your page. Scroll down to the next container. When you hover over it, you'll see a pink Edit tab appear at the top. See those 6 dots? You can click and drag them to move the entire container to a different spot on the page. The plus button adds a new container. Click it and you'll see layout options appear. Now we have a blank container ready for content. You can delete a container by clicking the X in the pink Edit tab. Now let's talk about editing the current contents of your page. It's incredibly intuitive. To edit any text, simply click on it and start typing, just like a word processor. You can change text styles by clicking the Style tab in the left panel. For buttons, click the button you want to edit, and then update the text in the left panel and use the link section to change where it goes. Just type a page name for internal links or paste a full URL for external ones. Next, let's add a new element to the page. To add elements, click the plus button in the top left to open the element library. Find the element you want, let's say text, and click and drag it into your container. You can rearrange any element by clicking and dragging it to a new spot. And if you make a mistake, just hit Command-Z on Mac or Control-Z on Windows to undo. If you want to delete something, right-click on it and select Delete. Now let's update the images. To change an image, click on it, hover over the image preview in the left panel, and click Choose Image. You can upload from your computer, use the media library, or search for stock images. And that's the basics of Elementor.